How to add wireless Wi-Fi network manually in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll learn on how you can manually add a wireless Wi-Fi network in Windows 10. So it's a very easy and simple process. So first of all, go to Start and open the control panel by going to Settings. Tap on Network and Internet. Here you will see the option of Set up a new connection or network. Tap on Network and Sharing Center. Now tap on Set up a new connection or network. Now choose a connection option. Choose Manually Connect to a wireless network and tap on Next. Now here enter your network name. Select the security type or the password. If you want to hide the characters you're typing, check the Hide Characters box that is beside it. Most importantly, check the box that says Connect even if the network is not broadcasting, and then click on Next and choose your connection settings and click on OK. Now close all the windows and go to Taskbar and click on the network icon, and you should see your Wi-Fi network name. Click on it to connect it automatically. If it asks for a password, you can enter it, and in a few seconds it will connect automatically. Your internet is now connected. So that is the simplest way to manually add a wireless Wi-Fi network in Windows 10. So this was all about it. I hope you found it informative. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.